I got a lot of requests to add some tactical modifications to the Winchester SXP, so I ordered the WT3 tactical package, and it includes stock with a pistol grip, shell carrier, and a forend. I'm going to make videos about how to add them all on, but they're going to be done individually. We're going to start with the forend first. So included with the actual package for the forend, you get the forend itself, Picatinny rails, front adapter, rear adapter. Actually, it comes in a bag with a whole bunch of adapters for different shotguns, but the one we want to pick is for the front. It's the WF6, and for the back, the rear adapter, it's MF2. And these look like little shields for this opening in case you don't install the rails, but we will, so I don't think we need these. Now you're going to notice that the forend comes with these ribs. Those have to come off before we do anything else, so just a pair of pliers. Good. And while we're at it, we can probably remove these molding bridges over here and this part over here with a heated blade. It's been a couple weeks since we left off. I was trying to install the forend straight out of the box on the fly, and I ran into a little bit of a hiccup. I'll tell you about it in just a little bit. But the first thing we want to do is get these Picatinny rails onto the forend. So this side, nope. That's this side. There, you can feel it kind of click into place. Just got to hold the nut inside as you're doing this. Just make sure they're snug. Okay. Alright, so now we got to get the forend off the original. If you need a refresher, you can check my other video where I go into detail and I go kind of slowly so you can see everything. Now I'm just going to go really fast. Always make sure safety is on. Nothing in the chamber. Nothing in the mag tube. Perfect. This is what caused me some of the difficulty that I had. I tried to get this forend nut off using a wrench, 2.5 Allen wrench, wouldn't budge. I bought this shotgun forend removal tool. Looks like this. Two little ears here. They didn't quite fit as well as I would have hoped into those little grooves. So I gave it to a buddy of mine who's a gunsmith, and he filed this down a little bit, and even he needed a second person to budge this thing free because it's glued with Loctite. Some people have suggested using a heating gun. He didn't want to do that because he was afraid that it might damage the plastic here. So it fits nicely now, and it comes right off. That was a pain in the butt, getting that off originally. Okay, now push, pull, and there we go. This is what it looks like, in case you're curious. Slide that back all the way. Get rid of this. Now, this is the front adapter. The narrower end goes inside all the way as far as it can go. Leave it. And the rear adapter, which is the MF2, you can slide it on just like this. Get this back in place. Good. Slide that so it's open up on top. This guy goes in like that. Almost there. Oh boy. Just a question of getting those two edges to fit against each other. Just about there now. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, made it. These two edges here, the adapter to the forend, this to that, you want them to be right up against each other. All right, let's get that forend nut back on. Okay. And that's it. So let's reassemble this thing really fast. That's it.